I want something cool, refreshing, and delicious, and this is great because it's family friendly. Canned peaches, you've got peach in there, and that's gonna give really good texture, and the juice is gonna give you big peach flavor, and there's a little bit of sweetness. And this one's really simple. Bag of ice, a little bit of mint, and some honey. The mint is really nice because it adds that, like that big burst of garden freshness. And the peaches are pretty sweet, but the best part about a smoothie is a lot of sweetness. So hit it again with some honey. Oh my God, I'm in for a treat. Super easy, let her roll. It's so good. That's all you need. It has such a good texture. And here's a good tip. Put some glasses in the freezer. There's nothing like having a cold, sweet smoothie in a frozen glass. It keeps it nice and cold. And it's so refreshing. If there's no kids around, you could add a little Mexican gold to that. Then things are gonna get really fun. Put some straws in it. I love the environment, so these are paper straws. And that is such a great way to finish a meal, especially Fajita Night. There's so many spices in it, so that will cool you right off. A peach slushie. So one thing left to do, kids, go do some cooking.